R1 only. This is also R1. This is also R1. This is also R1. Okay, not R2. R2, not R2. I think this was type of error. This is R2, yeah, R1 only, because this can create a source of ignition. This activity can create source of ignition, and in case of plant startup and shutdown, there is chance of LOPC and vapor cloud. So this can create a fire and explosion. So that is why we are keeping R1. This is normal permit to work control activity, and we will put into the allowed category. And there is no concern. The permit to work has to be initiated. JSA and TRA has to be prepared for the activity to prevent any concern during maintenance. As well as
one question. When we said C8 installation of a new panel, can you go back to the
C8? Yeah, this one.
ESD matrix panel. Which ESD matrix panel? What we are going to install?
One panel will be installed in the push button aux console, in the aux console.
Okay.
Yeah, with push button for the clipping of MPS and IPS pump. So similar push button already there. One new or maybe an existing it will come.
Do you have a space for installation of this push button?
Yes, we have space. Yeah, we visited site and space is there.
Okay.
And Shudip, this is outdoor activity, right? Outdoor activity.
No.
This is
control.
This is inside the control room.
MOT
So,
new control room.
See, if it is indoor, then these restrictions are not valid. So this we can allow.
No. Careful. Don't go so fast. My question is, this modification of the ESD matrix, you need to put cables to the cabinets.
Yeah, from panel to cabinet, which